Hello guys, welcome back to Seven Sense Talent Solution. Today we are going to look at Cisco off-campus internship drive for 2022 batch and how to apply for this opportunity. Before we get started, for the latest job opportunity, please subscribe our Telegram channel which is given in the description and also our YouTube channel. And if you like our YouTube videos, please press that like button and don't forget to share the video. Now let us see something about the company first. Cisco Systems is an American multinational technology conglomerate company which is headquartered in San Jose, California. Cisco is the worldwide leader in IT and networking services. They help companies of all sizes transform how people connect, communicate, and collaborate. Cisco develops, manufactures, and sells networking, hardware, software, telecommunication equipments, and other high quality services and products. It was founded in December 10, 1984. Cisco also provides a broad range of service offerings, including technical support and advanced services. Okay, that was about the company. Coming to the eligible criteria, BE, BTech, ME, MTech students from computer science or information science or any related fields can apply for this opportunity. You should have a minimum CGPA of 8 and above. And coming to the batch detail, guys, 2022 passed out students are only eligible for applying for this opportunity. You should have a problem solving skills. You should have excellent communication skills. Okay, this is about your eligible criteria. Coming to the job position, you will be a software engineer intern. Location will be in Bangalore and the salary will be around 50k per month. Coming to the skills desired in a candidate, guys, you should be interested in technology and software development with object-oriented design, development of test operations and continuous integration, ability to function effectively as a part of the team. You should have the ability to work across function to solve complex problems. You should have a skill in standard programming languages such as Golang, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Python, and development technologies like Git, JRA, and data technologies such as Relation, NoSQL, Big Data, example Snowflake. Okay, you should be skilled in cloud connector and connector technologies such as AWS, GCP, Azure, Cloud Run, Knative, etc. You should have a knowledge of business or ERP applications such as Salesforce, Oracle, and SAP, and integration with internal systems. Understanding of disturbed programs and microservices, strong framework in object-oriented development and design patterns, understanding of threads, synchronizing, logs, concurrent programs, and load balancing. Okay, that was your skills. There's a lot of expectation in a candidate from the company. Coming to the roles and responsibility, as a software engineer intern, you will be applying the principles and techniques of engineering, mathematics, and computer science in the design, development, and testing of software applications for business. You will be design, develop, and upgrade software application platforms. You will be developing software and tools to support design infrastructure and technology platforms, including applications, operating systems, compliance, routers, networks, resources, information, cloud, and internet-based tools. I will be building high-performance, low-latency, scalable services using the latest technologies and manage data on the large scale. I will evaluate and apply new technologies to product architecture, participate in a variety of professional development opportunities, network with senior leadership teams, give back to your local community, and connect with the global technology community. Okay, this is about your roles and responsibility as a software engineer intern. Coming to the rounds of selection, you will have around 3 to 4 rounds. In the first round, you will have online test. The questions will be on quant, logical, verbal, and technical questions will be given for you. A minimum of 50 questions will be given for you. The duration will be 60 minutes. There will be no negative marking. It will be a moderate round. And after that one, you will have a technical round where you will have 1 to 2 rounds. The questions will be on data structure, algorithms, operating systems, networking, DBMS, and coding will be given for you to ace the round. It will be a tough round, so be prepared in all the manner. Coming to the next one, that is the HR interview round. It will be a regular HR interview round. They will check your communication skills. They will ask some of the personal questions. Why are you interested with the company? Why are you interested with the job role? Like this. Okay, this was your rounds of selection. Coming to the important detail, guys. This registration will end on 22 July 2021. So make sure you register for this opportunity and take the test. And if you are lucky enough, you may also get selected for this internship. If you get internship, then you may also get the job with the Cisco. Okay, please register for it before the deadline. Coming to the sample technical questions, guys, you may get in the technical round. Like, if you do not know the size of an operator in C, how will you get to know the size of int? Can you use a variable in file using extension which is defined as both static as well as a global in the base file? The logic to reverse a linked list. What exactly happens when you compile a C program? How does it work? Different routing protocol and how do they function? Okay, these are some of the technical questions. And what are the coding questions you can expect, guys, in the technical round? They may ask you to write program to find kth smallest element in an unsorted array, negative wait cycle, reverse bytes, implementing Dijkstra, check whether kth bit is set or not. Okay, these are some of the coding questions they may ask you to write manually. Okay, coming to the next one, how to apply for this beautiful opportunity. A registration link of this sort of will be given in the description. Please click on it. I will show you how you can apply for this opportunity. Okay guys, after clicking on the link, you'll be taken to this website called Day to Compete. You can check the information that I told you before. Okay, all the responsibilities are given, requirements are given. Okay, the deadline is 22 July 2021 before midnight 12 o'clock. So make sure you register for this before the deadline. If you want to register for this, please click on this blue register icon. You will be taken to the next website where you can also check the information that I told you before in the video. If you want to apply, please click on apply. After clicking on apply, you will be taken to this one. You need to sign in. If you are already registered for this website, then you can enter your email ID and password. If you are a new user, please enter your email ID. Okay guys, after logging in, you'll be taken to this one. You need to upload your resume. Please select how you can upload your resume. If you are going to use your Google Drive, you can click on it. If you are going to Dropbox, you can click on it. You can also apply it through your LinkedIn account if you have any. Okay. After uploading your resume, please click on next. Okay guys, after that one, you need to enter your information. Please select salutation. Then enter your name, your family name. Okay, email address. Here your phone number type, home phone or work phone or mobile phone. What is if you have any secondary phone, you can also select here. If you want to add second number, you can enter your mobile number here. They've asked a question like, can we contact you via SMS to your mobile phone? If you want to get contacted by them via SMS, you can add yes or no. Please enter your address here, country, state, city, postal code. Are you looking for an internship or new or recent graduate level role? Yes, I'm looking for an internship. Are you interested in hearing about opportunities at Cisco partner organization? In the description they have given like, by opting in, you will receive an invitation to create a profile on Talent Bridge matching engine. The matching engine will allow you to view and apply to thousands of jobs posted by employers in the Cisco Global Partner ecosystem. If you want that, please press on yes. If not, no. If you are not interested, not applicable. Okay. Then coming to the area of interest, what is your area of interest? In which domain are you interested in working? Okay. Engineer in the hardware section or in the network section, you can add it here. What is your highest degree of qualification? Okay, masters of degree. Okay, you can add it here. What's your college name? Please select it here, or you can type it and search it. Here they've asked major, which means the area of study. You can select it from here. Then here, after selecting the college, they will automatically take the graduation or expected graduation date. Okay, here you can select your grading system, that is CGPA or in grading percentage. Okay, then you can enter your CGPA here. And after that, have you have any experience? You can also type not available. If you don't have any experience, the same goes to the next question, most recent employer. Okay, have you ever been issued a Cisco employee ID or Cisco email address? If yes, yes. If not, no. Okay, like what are the certification have you done? Okay, what are the different certification have you done? Then what are the languages you are fluent with? Okay, select the number of languages you are fluent with. Then you can also manually type what are the skills and technologies do you know, like programming languages, data structure, other things. Okay, like how did you hear about us? Next question is like this: how did you hear about us? You can select it from this drop box. How did you get to know about this hiring? Okay, I can select it here. After that, create a password and confirm a password. And this question is like alert frequency about the new job opportunities and openings. Like I told you before in the beginning of the application only, they have asked you for you to, like, are you interested in selecting this question like this, are you interested in hearing about the opportunity at Cisco Partners organization, where you will be logging in Talent Bridge matching engine. Okay, you will get a notification. How do you want to hear the notification about the jobs, frequently or monthly? Okay, after that please press on agree and continue. After that they're gonna ask your gender. Okay, please enter your gender here, then press on continue. After that one, you can submit your application. Press on submit and your application will be submitted. After you have submitted your application, you will get a notification that your application has been submitted. You have successfully applied for software engineer intern. Okay, that was it, guys. Thank you. If you have any queries, please comment down in the comment section. We will try to help you out. And one more thing I would like to add up is that we have a different placement opportunities worth of different price range in our portal. Please check out that. The link will be shared in the description, where you can have company specific test, training, and also a minimum of 50 placement opportunities you can get from that. The link will be shared in the description. Thank you, guys. Signing off.